In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Clay account. This process is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. So let's dive right in and get started on building your Clay account. First off, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the Clay website. You can do this by typing in the URL clay.com and pressing enter. Once you're on the home page, you should see an option to sign up prominently displayed, typically in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on that button to begin the registration process. Now, you'll be presented with several options to create your account. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on signing up with Google, which is a convenient option for many users. So go ahead and click on Sign Up with Google. If you're already logged into Google in your browser, you may be prompted to select the account you want to use. Simply choose the one you prefer. Next, a dialog box will appear asking you to continue with your Google account details. This is a standard step and ensures that Clay has permission to access the basic profile information needed to create your account. Click on Continue to proceed. After that, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose a name for your workspace. Your workspace is like the personalized area where you will manage and organize your projects. So choose a name that reflects the purpose of your usage, or just go with something simple and catchy. Once you've decided on a name, click Create Workspace to move on to the next step. Once your workspace is created, you'll find a button labeled Next. Click on it to advance to the following setup screen. This is where you'll provide a little context about how you discovered Clay. There will be a question asking, how did you hear about Clay? Take a moment to think about where you first learned about this tool and type your answer or select from any given options. Again, click Next to continue. After completing these steps, check your inbox for any verification emails from Clay. Opening that email and clicking on the link provided will verify your new account, and you're all set now. Your Clay account is fully set up and you're ready to explore all the features that Clay has to offer, and that's it. You now have a Clay account ready to go. Feel free to navigate the platform and start utilizing all its features to optimize your data management and project tracking. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.